students, I once again welcome all of you to the English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Etiquette of this week is don't play with mobile. Children, if we play with more mobile, then there may be problem in our eyes. And next, don't watch TV for long time. Children, watching too much TV or sitting very close to it may make your eyes tired or give you a headache. So I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Children, tell me, which is our national tree? Very good. Our national tree is banyan tree. Repeat after me. Our national tree is banyan tree. Next question. Which is our national flower? Tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Great. Our national flower is lotus. Repeat after me. Our national flower is lotus. Now let's move to sight word. Look at this sight word. Tell me which sight word is this? Who. Which sight word is written here? Who. Repeat after me. Who. Now let's move to our next topic. Children, in our previous classes we have learned about magic E. Today we will revise once again about it. Now look at screen. Read this word. Mad. Here in this word you can hear the sound of letter A. Not its name. Tell me, how can you change this vowel to its name? Children, it's very easy to change this vowel to its name. We can change this vowel to its name by adding magical E at the end of this word. Children, when we add letter E in the last of any CVC word, so the sound of first vowel turns into own name. Here you can see mad becomes made on addition of magic E. Children, whenever we add E at the end of any CVC word, so we do not hear the sound of letter E. E remains silent. Children, look at this picture. Read this word. Read. Children, tell me, which word will the word read change to after adding E letter? Ride. Children, after adding letter E, read word turned into ride. Children, if we add magic E to any CVC word, so we get a new word. Look at this picture. Read this word. Cap. Tell me, how can you change this vowel to its name? Children, we can change this vowel to its name by adding magical E at the end of this word. Now let's add magic E to the CVC word cap. Children, after adding letter E, cap word turned into cape. A, you can hear the letter A by its own name. A. P. Cape. Here E is silent. We cannot hear the sound of letter E. I hope you all have understood concept of magic E. Now let's move to our main topic. Today we are going to learn new sound. Children, can you guess which sound we are going to learn? Okay, now let's see. Look at this letter. Tell me, what is the name of this letter? E. Very good. Now tell me, what is the sound of letter E? A. Sound of letter E is A. E says A. Children, now I have added one more E with it. So here you can see 2E means double E. Children, do you know what sound does double E make? Children, these two E only give one sound. This two E makes new sound. That is E. Children, when two E are put together, the sound becomes long. E. Double E makes the sound long. Children, E got two sounds, short, long. Children, we pronounce letter E like A, so this is a short sound. When two E come together, they make a sound E. Children, this is called long sound E. Children, so here the sound of first E turns into own name and second remain silent. Now look at the screen. Read this word. Met. Children, only one E has given in this word. Children, single E makes the sound short. A. A. So this is a short sound. Met. When we add another E with it, so its sound changes. Now you can see 2E means double E. When two E are put together, the sound becomes long. E. Eat. Meat. In this word, we are getting E sound long. Children, now let's see some words with E sound. Children, look at this picture. Read this word. E. See. Now see this word. See this picture. Read this word. B. E. B. Look at this picture. Read this word. F. E. T. Feet. Look at this picture. Read this word. W. E. P. Weep. Now see this picture. Read this word. D. E. P. Deep. Now look at this picture. Read this word. S. E. D. Seed. So children, I hope you all have understood long E sound. Now let's do some practice. So what do you have to do in this work? Circle the words that have long E sound. Children, here are some words out of which you have to circle the words that have long E sound. Now look at first line. Read this word. It. Met. Eat. Meat. Now look at third word. Mad. Children, tell me in which word we are getting the long sound of E? Meat. Children, in this word we are getting E sound long. So we will circle this word. Children, you will complete this work yourself. Now it's time for homework. What you will do in homework? Add the magic E to make a new word. Children, this is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye children.